Hi YouTube, welcome back. I just want to come on here and show you my birthday haul. Yes, I am the big 5-0. Yay, I'm excited. I'm thankful. Okay, so this Sunday was my birthday, and I celebrated on Saturday and Sunday. So I just want to come on. I hadn't been on here in a while and just kind of show you what I got from family, friends, significant other. Okay, so in no particular order, I'm gonna show you what I got. So I received this, y'all, and it's still, I haven't taken all the wrappings off, but this is from the Coach. I'm not sure what this bag is called, y'all. I hadn't bought any bags in a while, and so this is from the, I believe it's the Mirror collection. I believe that's what it's called, the Mirror collection. Okay, and here it is here, and I hope this is not an issue for me, but it had. Okay, the Mirror collection, which I believe going to get a lot of fingerprints. I'm praying that doesn't bother me, but it's a crossbody. And like I said, this is one of my gifts. Let me see, what is it called? Oh, the Mirror Tabby 20, okay? So isn't she pretty? I will do a review on this later on, but I just want to show y'all what I got quickly. Also, I got another bag. And this is called the Gucci Dollar Calfskin Interlocking G Shoulder Bag. I'm not sure what the color is, y'all, but it is beautiful. I'll do a what's in my bag. It has gold hardware. You can see it's very, very classic, very pretty. It's like a soft pink. And oh, I'm carrying. I'm not even sure what's in it. It's like a linen color on the inside. Okay, but I will do a what's in my bag later on. This bag came from Fashion Power. I do know that, but it was a gift. But someone told me because we had to open it up to make sure it was okay before my birthday. So it's a crossbody. You can wear it as a shoulder bag. I wore it this weekend, of course, for my birthday. Very nice bag. Very pretty. Okay, you can dress it up or down. Next thing I got is these. I'm not a big tennis shoe fan, but somebody in my family is, so they started giving me oh, they are silver. And I actually had a photo shoot, and I had a casual outfit, and I wore these. Yay. They come with silver shoestrings as well, but again, these are Air Force One. No, not Air Force Ones. I'm not sure what they're called, but my son, of course, this came from my son because he's into shoes like this. Okay, so got that. Also, I received a lot of perfume. So this is from someone special to me. He gave me this Burberry Goddess. This is Burberry's latest fragrance, I believe. And this is the perfume, the a lotion, and a travel sample. It's so pretty. Came like this. It's very pretty. Nice gift set. So that is my Burberry Goddess right here. Okay. Also, I got this. Isn't this pretty? The color is pretty and everything. But this is also a perfume set. It's called Wild Rose. Look at this gorgeous. Uh-oh. We will edit that out. Don't want it to fall. Look at this gorgeousness. This comes with, this is Wild Rose. This is a body lotion, a travel size cologne, perfume, and then the full body. That's pretty. With the hang tag and the C. I'll take that off and put it on the purse, y'all. It's beautiful. Very pretty. It's Wild Rose. I wish I knew the notes. I don't, y'all. And it comes with this little pouch. Okay. So that is one of my gifts as well. Oh, love this box. The box is beautiful. Okay. Next, I got more fragrances. This is from Christian Dior. This is from the, I think this is the Privé, I do believe, collection. And it comes with, this says, not sure what that says. Lord, I'm dropping everything. But it is like a sampler, okay? I'm gonna try to show you this without dropping it. Make sure everything is pushed down. And hopefully you can see these. Okay. So it comes, I believe it's 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of samplers. Nice size. I know one of the popular one is Amber Newt, so it is in here. And I believe Oud Rosewood. I believe those are the two popular ones in this collection. But I cannot wait to try all of these. So I have enough perfume for a long time. And that's why I bought me a perfume, and I'm thinking I may return that because I don't think I'm gonna get a chance to wear it. But nevertheless, I am so grateful for what I got. Let me show you what else I got. This is what I bought myself. This is the, what's his name? Narcisco Rodriguez Music Noir Rose for Her. If you don't like rose scents, you won't like this, but it's a beautiful bottle if you can see it. Very nice. Okay, and what else did I get? I got a my son said this is a phone charm from Dior. I didn't even show you the box, Lord. Came in a box like this. I'm not sure how this works, but it has little charms on here, if you can see. Star, it has the CD. Uh-oh, y'all. Okay. Another star. 2 stars. And this one, just a little charm. He said it was a phone charm, y'all. I'm not sure. But I'm not sure what I can do with this. Maybe it's a bracelet or phone charm, but it's pretty nonetheless. But I will find out how to use it. Okay. What I did not know, y'all, that these boxes are leather. I did not know that. Did anybody know that? Okay. I got this sample of Miss Dior Eau de Parfum. And more samples came in here, y'all. J'adore. Okay. I believe this is a hand cream. The Balm Hand Slip Body. Okay. Came in this really nice bag. And I had a Dior pouch. Okay. Oh. And it came with a, I don't know if this came with this or was, I don't know, but this was a gift with this and a mini mascara. Okay. So those are my gifts for my 50th birthday. I had a ball. I celebrated in DC. And it was fun. I'm blessed. I'm so grateful, thankful. Thank God for letting me see another year. And I had a wonderful time. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will do reviews on the 2 purses and some of the perfumes later. And thank you. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.